welcome back to the channel, Miss Christina's Virtual OT. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications, and like this video even if you don't like it. Now let's get on with the craft. So, if you haven't seen the last video, that's where we explain how to make homemade salt dough. You can either choose to have it air dry or you can bake it to speed up the process. So, if you haven't already done that, then go back and watch the other video. This is going to be the part 2, which explains how you can make a fun Easter decoration and paint them. So the first thing you guys want to do is you're going to want to obviously flour your surface because this stuff is sticky. And then you want to roll it to about 1/4 inch thick. So the next step in creating your salt dough Easter eggs is you're going to take a cookie cutter. Whatever size and honestly whatever shape you want to do is totally a-okay. And you're just going to press down. And then you're going to obviously want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper so that when you bake it, it's easy and it doesn't stick. So the last step in making these is if you want to make them ornaments, then you will take a straw and poke the top of each one. Alright guys, they're ready to go in. So remember, you always want to pair it before you stick anything in the oven because you don't want to burn yourself or do anything. Bad things happen. If you have time or don't want to bake it, air drying your ornaments is always an option. It should take about 2 to 3 days for them to get nice and hard and ready to paint. So we're going to take these out of the oven since they're done. Ooh, they're hot!